What's the meaning of converter? Converter. Converter.
Converter. Converter. A converter is a device that converts one form of energy or data into another. It can be used to convert electrical power, such as AC to DC, or it can convert digital data from one format to another. The result of using a converter is that the input is transformed into a different output format that can be used for a variety of purposes. Converters are essential components in many electronic devices, including power supplies, audio and video equipment, and communication systems. They enable compatibility between different devices and make it possible to use them together.